Alright, y'all. So I gotta go drop EJ off today. I gotta go get some things done before Daytona. So considering it's like 2 weeks, this should be enough time to get what I need done. So I'm about to get on a ride into the shop and get some wind therapy while I'm doing it.
Several days later.
Tip Squad, welcome back to the channel. It's Tiffany Renee. Look, I missed you guys, but look, you know, I'm straight off work, just off work. I had to meet my husband real quick up at the bike shop real quick to pick up EJ. I know y'all know that I did mention that I was gonna put him in the shop to get something done to him before I headed to Daytona. And I just got him back. So you know I gotta share with you guys what I got done. So if you guys been watching my videos and you watched in some of my previous videos where Advent Black sent me the interfering piece and the color match. So I finally got it put on. I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. Never mind, I know EJ gotta get washed up and clean. You're not used to seeing him like that. I'm not either. But it's all dirty right now. I gotta get him washed, and of course it's pollen now. Anyways, but he gonna be clean before we head to Daytona. But as you can see right now, all the pieces have been installed now to the whole interfering piece for EJ. And I must say, I love it, y'all. As you can see, like I have everything already put together now. If you watched, like I said from my previous video, you were seeing all the different pieces that it came with it. You have the gauge cluster here. My husband actually installed the gauge cluster in this little, these two pieces here. He put those on himself. But you know, the interfering piece, the actual interfering piece here, it goes all in here. And because I have some tweeters underneath here, we didn't want to like do that ourselves. So because we didn't want to drill into there, so we decided just to take it to the shop where I had my music done at, because it's a body shop as well. He went ahead, Barry is his name. I'm gonna take you guys up there to the shop one day when I get a chance. I had planned on it today, but we were rushing. So it's this whole interfering piece here, like I said, because I have tweeters here. We took it here so he can drill into it and get it put in and make sure everything was flush together. Then you have the two compartment doors here. Those came separate, and you see it closes by itself. Smooth shut, nothing where you have to slam it or anything. Soft, smooth closing. You also have the piece here that comes, this whole piece that's up here. So it's a pretty tedious job if you do it yourself. You definitely can do it, but it's very tedious. So I recommend like you take your time if you do it yourself. If not, there's nothing wrong with taking it to the shop, because the guy who does it, he does all my work besides my husband. Those are the only two that work my bike. So look, I'm very happy with how it turned out. Like y'all already seen before how the color was already like dead on. Like Advent Black did an awesome job with that. And I also have another addition to my bike. I have not, like, I'm pretty sure y'all probably seen it and noticed it, but I haven't like intentionally mentioned it to you guys. You know, how I mentioned to you guys before, you know, Advent Black does great with color matching, like especially with the snake venom color, which is like a hard color to get. You know, you can only go to Harley to get it, but Advent Black does awesome with it. And I had another addition to the bike that I didn't mention to you guys, but I'm sure if you've been watching my videos, you probably noticed it. So I have the color match custom fairing, spoiler fairing, sorry. And it's down here. And you know, if you get the CVO, it automatically comes on those bikes. It comes with that. But my husband had it on his bike, and once I seen it, I was like, you know what? You know I want that too. And so happened, Advent Black, they make that piece as well. So if you looking for that piece to fill in that space down there, like Advent Black is your go-to person. So make sure you guys check them out. So guys, for the most part, EJ is pretty much set and ready for Daytona, ready to hit 95 and get down this highway. Look, besides he need to be washed. Y'all know EJ don't be going out too dirty like that. So of course I'm gonna get him washed. And then we'll be ready to hit Daytona. I can't wait to see you guys down there. Look, make sure if you guys see me, say something to me. Look, I didn't set up a meet and greet or anything because this is my first time going down there, and I wanted to, you know, be all over the place. I'm gonna be everywhere. So I'm ready to see you guys. I'm ready to meet you guys. I'm ready to pass these poker chips out. So definitely make sure you guys say something to me, and I will see you guys there. Make sure y'all ride safe. Spring is here. summer is coming. You know, this is like our peak of the season when we get out and ride. So I'm definitely ready to get out there and ride. Y'all know I'm definitely about to bring you the content. Y'all know I'm gonna get out there and I'm gonna ride any chance I get, because that's just what I enjoy doing. I love getting the stories when you guys drop down in the comments or send me DMs or emails or however you guys get in contact with me and let me know, like, thanks to you, my daughter, she wants to ride now, or my wife wants to ride. Like, stuff like that just like makes me smile. And because of you guys, you know, this is why I do what I do. This is why I decided to start my channel with riding my bike here, because, you know, I just want to inspire those who are still thinking about riding and not sure if that's what they want to do. Look, if you want to do it, you can get out there and you can ride your bike. So look, to all my subscribers, I definitely appreciate you guys. Y'all know I don't have a channel without you guys, and everything I do for you guys. So I'm definitely going to get out there to these events, or not even just all the events that I can make, just riding here. If I see y'all out and about in my hometown, or if I come to your town or whatnot, just make sure you guys say something to me, because I'm definitely excited when I meet you guys. Look, like as always, guys, make sure y'all drop down in the comments. Drop those comments down below. Like this video, make sure you share it, because Tiffany Renee is back and it's summertime coming, and I'm coming to you. Peace. Love you guys. Bye.